Hi everyone, I'm Raymond Ezra and this is chapter 3 in the introduction to chess. Today we're going to look at a mini game called Catching the Flag. It's played with pawns only, okay, so there's no other pieces on the chessboard. Right, so the object of this mini game is for one of your pawns to reach the other end of the chessboard. So if you're playing white, you want one of your pawns to reach the 8th rank, and if you're playing black, you want one of your pawns to reach the 1st rank. Alright, so this is a recap also on how pawns move and capture other pieces and pawns. So, at the start of the game, okay, as I said before, pawns have a choice of movements throughout the game. So they can move forward 2 or just 1, okay? So let's start. So that's D4, right? In algebraic notation, pawns are not given a letter. They're not given the letter P, for instance, so that's just D4. To describe the movement of a pawn. So we just name the square. So that's D4. Okay, it's quite a popular name. Right, so now black goes E5, right? And now white has a choice. It can take that pawn or it can just ignore it or move forward. Alright? So now white can move, is going to move to F4 there. Alright? And now black has got a choice. It can either take that one or that one. Okay, so black is going to take this one now. Okay, so now it's white's turn and it's going to push that one forward. Alright, so now black replies, G6, right, and white takes. And now black has got to take it, because if they don't, it will just push forward and reach there. So black is going to take that, so it takes it now. So now white is going to make a mistake and it's going to go to E3. Attacking that pawn, and now black says, well, that's a terrible mistake, because black is going to take it there, and in doing so it's going to win the game. Alright, so even though if white pushes forward, black goes forward, and it's actually won the game there. Alright, so black has actually won this game. Right, let's look at another one just as a recap. There we go. There we go there. Right, so white starts the game. Alright, so let's go for the English opening, which is C4. Okay, and now black goes to E5. Alright, so now D4. Black is going to take. Right, and now white is going to push up here, making a mistake, E3, and now black is going to ignore that and just push forward, and it's going to win the game. Alright, so that's black has won the game again. Right, so set this up, okay, and practice it. It's a very good practice for how to move pawns and how to capture other pieces and pawns. Next week we're going to look at the rook. There's one of the black rooks, okay, and that's the starting position of one of them. Alright, see you next week. Bye now.